Then I'm going to quickly, before I set, just blend those creases underneath, just in case. And then I'm going to go in and set lightly. You don't want to put too much at the beginning. Why is it not coming out? Oh my gosh. At the beginning, you just want to set it. And then I'm going to go in. And also it's winter, so I don't want to put too much powder because it's going to really dry me up. I'm going to go lightly over my eyebrows because sometimes the eyebrows can get a bit oily and I don't like that look. Line. I'm going to go back in with my foundation brush that I used. A little bit of that setting powder. A little bit. And then just set. On. Gosh, time is running. Then I'm going to go in with the same contour kit from L.A Girl, the 1 in 10, as I mentioned. I'm going to use that brown, the same brown that I used on my eyes. And then I'm going to just contour my nose. You always want to start off lightly. This is a powder brush. I'm going to powder contour. I prefer to use powder, but nothing lighter compared to cream concealers. Back to the face. Okay, then I'm going to go in with my little blending brush. Oh yes, and also my jaw. I'm going to go in with the same foundation brush that I used, and I'm just going to soften out that contouring. Something's in my eye. I don't know where it is. I'm going to go in with a gold shimmer. What I like to do, I like to tap it on and then rub it on the back of my hand, just so it's not too harsh when I apply it on. It's almost like diffused. I feel like I'm whispering, but I don't feel like talking loudly. Mascara, of course I use the Essence mascara. I like the mascaras only because their brushes are big and fluffy, which means the eyelashes are big and fluffy too. It looks so pretty. Like, anyways, I'm gonna go in with my Really Roo MAC lipstick. Wow, it's been a while. Then I'm gonna go in with my eyelashes. I'm going to go in with some highlighter. That's what it looks like. With my eyeshadow brush, the same highlighter from the L.A Girl. I'm going to just highlight the inner corners of the eye. And then I'm going to go in with the same angle brush with the brown contour and then lightly underneath. I think I need to use another brush. I'm going to go in with an angle pencil brush, or you could use a brown pencil. Alright. We are done. Cool guys, so this is the look for today. classic smoky eye red lip, perfect for winter, very sultry, quite sexy as well. Yeah, I love it. Let me just turn the camera like this. So I got my makeup done. The whole makeup tutorial is finished and this is the final look. But again, the whole purpose of the main sort of feature of this video was to test out that whole hairspray holding technique. So I'm gonna literally use hairspray on my skin. I'm so scared because I don't know what's gonna happen. What if I wake up with like pimples all over my skin tomorrow? But yeah, so I'm gonna give this a try. And then at the end of the day, I'm gonna do a whole review and just check if my makeup did hold and you know what the outcome is. So I'm gonna grab my hairspray quickly. Okay, awesome. So I'm gonna go in. I'm using the Seymour Trusted in Hair Care Wonder Spray, and this one is a firm hold setting spray. So I'm gonna shake it up on my skin, guys. Like, whoa, I'm so scared actually. Hold on. Okay, here goes nothing. I can't breathe. Oh my god. So it's obviously very cold and like, wow. Okay, cool. I'm gonna put a little bit more just for like, because I'm never doing this ever again, so let me do it the right way. Ooh. Well, that is literally me for today. So this is the whole makeup look for today. Red smoky eye sultry look, perfect for like the winter. I finished it off with hairspray and like, whoa, my skin feels like moisture has been sucked out of it after I put that hairspray on it. Feels dry. I mean, obviously, this has so much alcohol in it, which obviously sucks up and dehydrates the skin, or anything for that matter. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.